Guys, order tayo dito. Birthday, order lang daw ako kahit ano. So, order kami. Sabi ni Kuya, isang steak and chips. Tapos,
Sabaw, sinigang, litong sinigang.
pag na yan, hindi ko maubos yan eh. Ano na lang, isang Monarch Burger. Ayun guys, ito yung order natin. Steak and chips. Yan, tapos Monarch Burger lang. Tapos yun lang. Well done. O, yun lang. Kuya Peter, kung mapapanood mo to, salamat and happy birthday sa'yo. More blessings to your life and your family. Ito na yung order ko, Monarch Burger. Woo! Solid. Ito na yung second meal natin. Happy birthday! Kuya Peter, tingnan mo yung order ko. Happy birthday!
Ay, tago, yung paalak ba? Sana maging patso kayo na.
Happy birthday, Kuya Peter. Salamat sa steak.